Hi, I'm Keith from eMotors Direct, Canada's motor experts. Sourcing a furnace or air conditioner motor replacement can be difficult, since there are thousands of different variations. If your furnace or AC motor is out of stock or discontinued, what are your options? You can find an alternative by matching up your motor specifications, which gives you flexibility in which model you use as your replacement. Today, I'm introducing the Brook Crompton single-phase HVAC motors, an ideal choice for reliable and cost-effective aftermarket replacement. Brook Crompton's been a trusted brand for decades across the globe. The HVAC lines includes direct drive blower motors for furnaces and condenser fan motors for air conditioners. They feature automatic overload protection, which means the motor shuts down automatically if it overheats, safeguarding your equipment and preventing costly repairs. This line of motors has a 5.5-inch diameter and 36-inch leads for hassle-free installation. They're equipped with Class B insulation for added thermal protection. The condenser fan motors are totally enclosed air over, keeping dust and moisture out of the motor. These can be used in outdoor applications. The direct drive blower motors are open air over, meaning they're ideal for indoor use. And here's a bonus. Each motor comes with a free capacitor, adding even more value to your purchase. These are available in up to 3/4 horsepower, and the 48 frame size ensures compatibility with OEM motors of the same size, as long as the other specs match. Why choose Brook Crompton? They offer cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. With over a century's technical and design expertise, Brook Crompton delivers consistently reliable electric motors across the globe. Whether for residential, commercial, or industrial use, they provide a comprehensive range of motors. Start shopping now or contact our team for help sourcing your motor. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.